Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this stop motion effect for photos in the CapCut Mobile. So here, just add your photos, and after that, click on the photo, add animations that you like, but I personally will add the slide up animations to the photo. Okay, this one. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then apply the rebound swing effect. I'm going to just leave the setting as it is. Now add another effect. Click on the lens. Then click on the FPS lag. Here you just need to adjust the speed to your liking, but I'm going to go with 90. Now click on the check icon and you are done with the stop motion effect. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.